Have you ever finished the month wondering, where did all my money go? You didn't buy anything big, you didn't go on vacation, yet your bank account is almost empty. The answer lies in silent enemies, hidden expenses, small leaks. That together make a massive hole in your wallet. Today I'll reveal 7 of them and how to eliminate each one starting now. Hidden expense. Number 1, forgotten subscriptions. Are you paying for Netflix, Spotify, Apple TV, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, HBO? How many of those do you actually use? Most people are paying for services they never open. Kill them like this. Check your bank account. Cancel everything you didn't use last month. Bonus tip, cancel all of them and only resubscribe to the ones you actually miss. Hidden expense. Number 2, bank fees, maintenance fees, withdrawal charges, transfer costs. Your bank charges you just for holding your money. Did you know there are zero-fee accounts out there? Look for digital banks. Use accounts with no maintenance fees. Set reminders so you never miss a due date. $1 here, $1 there. It adds up to 100 pluggings a year. Hidden expense number 3, cheap apps. A workout app, a meditation app, a photo editor. Each charges $3 to $5 monthly. Sounds small, right? But 7 cheap apps. She's over $400 a year. Review your app subscriptions. Delete anything you don't use at least twice a week. Every tap costs money. Hidden expense number 4, food waste. The average household throws away up to 30% of the food they buy. That's literally throwing money in the trash. Plan your meals. Use the FIFO rule. First in, first out. Freeze leftovers. Eating smarter is spending smarter. Hidden expense. Number 5, late fees and penalties. Paid the power bill late. Missed your credit card deadline. Those fees are unnecessary pain. Set alerts. Automate your payments. Use reminder apps. A single mistake can cost you $10, $20, even more for nothing. Hidden expense. Number 6, convenient transport. Taking Uber everywhere. Grabbing taxis instead of walking a few blocks. Sure, it's comfortable, but it's draining your wallet. Combine public transport with walking, ride a bike if you can. Do the math. 5 rides at $8 a week earns over $2,000 a year. That's no small deal. Hidden expense. Number 7, small impulse. Buys a bottle of water, an extra coffee, a snack at 3 p.m. You think it's nothing, but $3 a day adds over $1,000 a year. Carry a reusable bottle, bring snacks from home, take limited cash. It's not being cheap, it's being strategic. Now that you know the 7 invisible enemies, let's build a painless plan to eliminate them. Because this isn't about not living, it's about not losing money without realizing it. That's real financial power. Step 1, expense audit. Download your last 2 bank statements. Go line by line, highlight every hidden expense. Yes, it'll hurt, but it's the first step toward financial healing. Step 2, use a budgeting app. There are hundreds, many are free. I recommend Fintonic Monify. Why one in app? Seeing your money in charts is like turning on the lights. You can't ignore it anymore. Step 3, the waiting list method. Want to buy something non-essential? Write it down and wait 48 hours. If you still want it, go ahead. If you forget it, you saved money. This works 80% of the time. Step 4, cancel unneeded auto payments. You might be getting charged for things you forgot about. Check your bank account, review recurring payments, cancel what you don't use. Saving money isn't just about earning, it's about stopping the leaks. Step 5, the sand jar method. Every time you skip a hidden expense, like buying coffee outside, put that money in a jar or savings account. At the end of the month, look at what didn't disappear. You'll be amazed. Step 6, set clear goals. Saving money is too vague. Goal, save $500 in 3 months. Goal, cancel 5 subscriptions in 30 days. The brain works better with concrete targets. Step 7, create a friction zone. Make spending harder. Remove your card from apps. Use cash for personal spending. Add a reminder before each purchase. The trick is, make it less easy to spend. And remember, the invisible isn't harmless. Lose $1 a day. Stage 300 pluses a year. 7 small leaks can sink a financial ship. You don't need to earn more to live better. You just need to stop giving your money away. And that starts with noticing what you don't see and taking action. Most people stay broke not because they don't earn enough, but because they don't know where their money goes. Now you do. Make this a monthly habit. Review your hidden expenses. Repeat the steps. Adjust your plan, because money, like health, needs daily care. Share this video with someone who always says, I don't know where my money goes. You might save them from years of silent losses. Comment below, which of these 7 hidden expenses shocked you the most? And which one will you eliminate this week? Subscribe to Smart Finances. Here you won't get empty advice, only real strategies for building financial freedom. Turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming videos. How to build a budget that doesn't hurt. How to stop living paycheck to paycheck. How to start investing from zero. Remember, the power is in you. Your daily decisions build your financial future. Every expense you cut is a step toward freedom. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Every small change adds up. You are not alone. Millions are waking up, and you've already taken the first step. If you made it this far, you're part of the 10% that truly wants change. That already makes you different from the rest. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to share, comment, and keep learning, because financial intelligence is trained. See you in the next video. And until then, protect your money like it's time, because in the end, it is. This was Smart Finances. Your freedom starts here.